How much weight can an level beam 9.1/2 inches hold that spans 20 feet?
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
I have installed an level beam in the ceiling to hold just the drywall and insulation and 2x4 of course, and was wondering if that is strong enough if I nail on both sides of it 2x10 that will be 10 feet long. How much more weight does that add?
Okay, got it. Last thing, structural engineers generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
I can help. Can you take a look at the following link and answer the questions at the bottom of the sheet? Your answers will allow me to accurately model the loading and size your beam. Thanks. https://docs.google.com/open. It equals 0b3 lube_rxib seenvlurgled sus 3 kxthhvvdfnrv9 uk.
Hi, this is a bungalow-type house. There is no second floor. The roof is self-supported with a truss system. What I did was remove a non-bearing wall and put in an level beam of 1 3/4 inch thick by 9.5 inch high. It spans 20 feet long. I also nailed and screwed to each side of this level beam 2x10 of pine lumber, one of 16 feet length and then another 4 feet to finish the span of 20. I reversed the joint on the other side of the level beam with the 2x10. Now what this beam holds up is only 2x4 which support the drywall and the pink insulation in the attic. It does not support any other structure at all. Only the weight of the 2x4, the drywall and then the insulation. The 2x4 are put at 16-inch center across the 20 feet span, then drywall hung to this and then insulation is added onto the drywall. I am just second-guessing myself if this is adequate because it spans 20 feet long. Thank you, Robert.
Sorry for the delay. I have one question. What is the span of the ceiling joists off of each side of this level beam you added?
Hi, the ceiling joists are made of 2x4 and have a span of 12 feet each. Thanks.
Your single level with 2x10s on each side will not carry the load required by the building code. The required loading is a 10 psf live load and a 10 psf dead load. I can give you an engineered wood option for your 22 span beam, 4-ply 1 3/4 x 16 Versa Lam 2.0 2800 DF. This is a Boise Cascade product and you can go to the following link to find distributors in your area. http://www.bc.com/location/#building materials distribution. You will need to have a local engineer detail your connections, size your support columns, check your lateral stability and determine foundation requirements. Experts are credited for each adequately rated answer they provide. If you have additional questions, please let me know. Thanks. Good luck with your project.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.